I'm Jesse with Tiny Idaho Homes. We're a custom and standard tiny house manufacturer. I wanted to make a video on our Ozark that we currently have for sale. This unit is 20 foot long on the box. The tongue's 4 foot, so it's 24 foot total length. Rear entry. It has one 6 foot slide out in it. This unit is completely off-grid capable, has holding tanks, propane appliances, 12 volt lighting. Pretty much you want to go off-grid, this is the one to do it with. Solar ready. Let's do a quick walkthrough. You can see here in the slide out, you'll see it inside. It's a big dinette area. It's got a smart soffit siding. We got cedar trim on it, stained cedar trim. Propane storage here. This unit comes with standard with 2 batteries, 2 deep cycle batteries, group 27. We got our water fill for our fresh holding tank here. This is the propane furnace. This is the exhaust for that and the access panel. 30 amp marine grade cord. This is our tank dumps here. We got a black and a gray dump. You can tell by the handles also, not just the stickers. This is the propane refrigerator intake and exhaust here. Exhaust duct for the range hood. And this is a 10-gallon electric and propane water heater, tanked water heater. Something I'd like to point out is we make our own trailers here. This one can probably use a new bearing service, but you can tell our trailers are beefy trailers. This one's seen some road travel to some shows. So on the back of this unit, we did a little short overhang to help keep water away from the door. We got some 12 volt lighting here on a switch. Cute little accent there, and a full glass panel door. When you walk in this unit, you'll feel it's got that home feeling, but it is an RV, so to say. RV tiny house is what I like to say. Alright, we'll start over in this kitchen here. This is the propane electric fridge. It works off-grid with the propane. If you plug in, you can run it off electric. Propane freezer. We got microwave. This runs only on 120 volt, but it's a nice big microwave, not just a small little RV style one. Gas propane cooktop here, separate from the oven. This is a 3 burner, nice and big for a 20 foot unit, I gotta say, and a decent size stove, or oven, sorry. Again, lights up blue knobs, blue writing on the front, self ignition, and that is propane also. We got a nice tile backsplash in here, Corian countertops, custom made cabinet, white uppers, gray lowers. Along with the kitchen, we do these inserts for Corian and a nice square sink here. Pull down faucet. Everything there is brushed nickel and stainless. The light, you'll notice in here, the lighting is all 12 volt. It is a beetle kill pine, blue pine ceiling with white beadboard walls. And then I have her walk around to show you the slide out area. So this is 6 foot interior dimension. So we made this design for an extra sleeping area. Nice U-shape, small table, it folds down to a bed. Back cushion comes in the front here to make that bed area. We put little shelves in the back. We got USB and cigarette lighter plugs. Those are 12 volt. They run off the batteries also. The lights in the slide out are touch lights. Those are not on a switch, they're just touch. Slide out on this side. It is a 12 volt slide out, push of a button. Very, very simple. easy to work, runs off batteries. That's something we do that not many other builders do. We do not have to push and pull this out manually. You don't have to have supports on the outside. It's all done with the unit itself. Towards the floor down here, you'll see the step up. There's not much storage in here. It is a fender well mostly. There's a little bit on this end. That's to just access up into this seating area. Underneath all the seating is storage. You got to lift up plywood underneath that so you can lift that up. Unique feature with this tiny house, all-in-one bathroom. We like to call it a wet bath. It's got a small sink. We'll need a mirror here, but so this is a 36-inch shower with an RV toilet placed inside of it. So I like to call it the 3S bathroom, but easy to clean your toilet. You can put your legs up here while you're shaving, sit down while you're taking a shower, however you want to put it. Still separate holding tanks. We got the gray, we got the black. So the black is just toilet for off-grid capabilities. All the gray water goes into a separate tank. We got a lowered ceiling in the bathroom because there is a roof-mounted air conditioner with vents going into every room. So this unit does have AC. Come up into the front here, and I'll have her pan around because it's a smaller room. It is 20 foot. This is a queen size bed. Again, 12 volt lighting, beadboard walls, blue pine. You got a little cabinet on the side of the bed with an upper, and then we like to say this is a small adjustable shelf closet. We could put a closet rod in there if you wanted, but it is, for all sake purposes, so to say, it is closed storage. Underneath this bed, it does lift up. Underneath the bed there is a water tank, but the rest of it is all storage. We got a pocket door leading into this room, and then on the wall coming out, which will take a quick shot of that. This is your control panel that shows your batteries and your fresh gray and black tanks, along with runs your 12 volt water pump. So again, off grid, you do not have to be hooked up to a hose. You just got to fill your tank, turn that on, and you got your water pump. This is your thermostat for your furnace, gas furnace, and your air conditioner. So that's the tour of this Ozark. It is for sale right now for $35,000. Closeout price because it was a show unit, or we can build you one to your specs.